What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Hypnotic Lady. The company I will be working with today is Recool Hair. Jumping right in, they sent me a cute little box with the information listed inside. It is a 26-inch straight straight wig. This is a 6x6 HD closure wig. It did come in 26 inches and 180 density. It does come with 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. I did go ahead and pre-style this unit off camera just to save some time, but getting to it, you guys see the HD lace. We're going to jump right in. First, I'm going to slick my hair back. Those of you who've been subscribed to me, you already know I have a short little pixie. Right now, I have it colored in a platinum titanium color. Go ahead and put your wig on, and then I'm going to cut the lace down the sides. You want to cut off those thick tabs on the sides of the closure because this is what is going to give you that frontal look with still having a closure. Once that's done, I'm going to cut straight down the middle with my cuticle scissors and then use my eyebrow razor to cut straight across, going down on each side. I do find that using the eyebrow razor is so much better than using scissors. It just gives you a more natural, unrealistic cut and makes your hairline look really good. Now I'm going to take my Kiss Cream Foundation in the shade Chestnut, and I'm going to pop that into my lace like so. Once we get that done, I am going to go in with my Eben lace spray in the black bottle, and we're just going to put that right on top. I am using my finger to just like kind of spread the adhesive spray around and make it kind of, get a little tacky. Once that is done, I am going to go in with my Songbird blow dryer, blow dry everything until everything's nice and tacky. And then we're going to take our elastic band and tie that down like so. While that's tied down, we're going to take our hot comb and press out anything that needs to be touched up. I did do like 2 little bang strip pieces in the front, so I wanted to hot comb those, make sure those were nice and neat. Once that's done, I'm going to go around the perimeter of my half up pony. As you guys can see, I pulled out the whole 6x6 closure, so everything around that, I wanted it to be nice and flat, looking like my hair. And y'all, this wig was giving scalp. Like, I was loving this closure wig. It was giving me a lot of versatility with the 6x6 closure, and I was very much getting frontal looks with a closure, and who don't want that, Once that's nice and flat, I'm going to take my Conair, and I tried to get it in camera, but my lighting was messing with me. Conair 1-inch barrel wand curler, and I'm just going to start in the bottom, working my way up to the top, doing small/medium sections, curling away and towards my face in different sections. You can curl away and towards your face, whichever one. I am going to do this on one whole side and show you guys that process, and then I'm going to show you guys in slow-mo what the hair looks like while it is curled versus it's straight, and then we're going to come back with the finished look. It's crazy. Okay, so this is what the curls are looking like as soon as we're done curling them. I didn't put any product in the hair, so for it to hold like this with no product, no heating spray, no heat protectant, none of that, I say it was pretty good for this to be bone straight hair. Now, just showing you guys the curly side, like I said, compared to the straight side. It's definitely giving some body to it, which we definitely needed. But I'm loving the texture. It looks like a loose wave or a natural wavy texture versus the bone straight. So this hair definitely holds a curl. You can definitely curl it, which is good. Next, I'm going to come back with my curling iron, and we're going to finish curling the ponytail and my 2 little peekaboo strips in the front. I don't know what to call those. Curl those. Once we finish curling those, we will be finished. It's crazy. this is the finished product. I wanted to show you guys the back of the hair. Again, this is Recool hair. This is their 6x6 blueless closure wig, real HD lace. It is 26 inches and 180 density. I did go ahead and pre-style this hair off camera, bleaching the knots and plucking the hairline. And then on camera, I showed you guys the curling process. I definitely want to give this hair a 10 out of 10. The hair did not tangle. It did not shed. It did very well to the bleach. And for this to be bone straight hair, I feel like the curls very much lasted for me. Even after this video, the curls were still in. It turned into like a loose wave or a loose body wave, natural body wave texture, which was very much giving. If you guys like this video, please let me know what you guys think. I am in love with this hair. I think it's super, super cute, super easy, quick, super cute style for summertime. You don't have to worry about having a frontal on. You can do the 6x6 closure and still get the frontal look, baby, okay? Because this is very much giving my scalp. It's definitely giving my hair. And I'm going to show you guys up close and personal, no filter, what the lace is looking like. Just give me 1 second. We're going to go into the next clip and you guys are going to see the lace up close. Y'all get into it. Get into it. No baby hair. This is no baby hair, no filter. HD lace. And it's definitely giving. This is definitely giving. Tell me that ain't no frontal. It definitely look like a frontal and it's a closure, baby. Who don't want it? Again, guys, this is Recool hair. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys are hitting that bell so you guys get a post notification for every time that I drop, and make sure you guys are subscribing. I love you guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.